Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. Today I have something really... I just bought something and I feel like I want to do the unboxing and review of the new fragrance. And this one is Dior Addict. I watched YouTube and I heard everybody just talk about it and say that this may be one of the best vanilla fragrances. So since I love Dior and I love vanilla, I just had to get it. So let's do the review and the unboxing. The packaging is tall and cute and sleek. Alright, let's unbox. They have this Dior stamp. Looks so elegant. This is the 100 ml bottle. Looks so mysterious. It's so cute. The word Dior here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Looks so elegant. This is the actual spray. I think it looks so elegant. And this is my first impression. Couldn't smell anything yet. Okay, let's try it. Really strong. The spray is so nice too. For the first impression, it's really strong. I feel like it has a lot of roses. Don't know if it's true. So what I have in here is vanilla, white floral, citrus, mandarin orange, silkwood blossom, orange blossom, night blooming, Bulgarian rose, oh I was right, and vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood. For when first it came out, I can feel a lot of roses. Now it dries down a bit. And now I could smell a little bit of vanilla. I mean, when you first use it, it's not that super strong like Hypnotic Poison. This one is strong but not that strong. I mean, almost as strong but not really. A little bit spice and I think this one is kind of like, I mean, it's beautiful. This one is a new formulation. I'm just into the fragrance this year, so I don't know about the first came out. That's super great or anything, but I'm just into it right now. And oh my god, oh my goodness, oh. Almost broke it. I like that it's not that super vanilla. It contains some roses. I like roses fragrance, and I also like the vanilla. I think it's kind of hard to... Shit. The only bad thing that I could say is that it's hard to take it off. Now it dries down for 5 minutes. It's really elegant. I like it. And I'll be right back for the wear test. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now it's 11 p.m. and I applied the fragrance since 4 p.m. so it's around 7 hours. I want to do it longer, but I'm gonna sleep kind of soon. So for my final thought, I still could smell myself. It's still on me. This one lasts pretty long time, and I could smell myself all the time. Like I don't have to put my hand here and sniff myself. I could smell myself all the time, even I wear a mask. And it's not like strong fragrance that would make you headache. This one doesn't do that. I spray for 3 sprays and that's enough. It's strong but doesn't make you noxious or anything. I love that. And right now for skin scent, it's kind of like It reminds me a little bit of Amber Nuit, but this one is a little bit sweeter, so I think this one is really beautiful fragrance, and I don't know, I love it. I want you guys to try it. And other YouTubers tell the truth that they love this one, and this one is a great vanilla fragrance. So right now I couldn't smell that much of roses, but right now it's the sweetness and vanilla. I love it. It lasts long, it's beautiful, and it doesn't make you headache. Some fragrances do, but this one does not. The packaging is gorgeous. Feels so heavy. This one is luxurious. So I think that's all that I can say to this one. Hope you guys enjoyed my review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.